Diba? Alright, mine Korean orange for Miss Belly. Miss Belly Sorilla.
Yes, ma'am! Thank you so much!
Thank you, Miss Belly. Maraming salamat po. Pwede po ba magbayad sa GCash? Of course, ma'am.
Yes, po.
Pwede po, ma'am. Ma'am Joy, if magmamahal po kayo, you can send your details to us. Name, contact number, complete address with barangay sa messenger po ng Mika's Closet Live. And then, ayun po, we will send your invoice tomorrow. Ayan. Eto mga kapamilya, another Korean. This time, alam mo yung parang nakikita ko, pagsuot mo to, parang very light, nakaka-lighten ng day. No? Kasi very light yung kanyang color. Hindi siya yung parang heavy pag tinignan mo. Ayan po, can fit up to 44 bust line. My size is large to XL. This is our another Korean. So, pwedeng formal or casual wear. Pwede rin siya pang office.
Yes.
Ayan, we only have 3 colors. Ang ganda ng combination niya. Ayan po, very light. White and pink combination. Again, mga kapamilya, di ba ito ang ganda? Again, mga kapamilya, from 1,500 pesos down to
999 pesos!
Pakulo ko dito ng Mine Dress plus the color. We have Mine Dress Pink. Look at the details po. Pleated VIP Mine Dress Pink. We have Mine Dress Orange. Ito po, ang color orange natin. Mine Dress Orange. And then we have here Mine Dress Brown.
Brown!
Mine Dress Brown. Payment po ba agad? Miss Belly, we will be sending your invoice tomorrow. Once paid na po yung item, we will ship it right away po on Saturday. Tama ba?
Yes!
Mine Korea Orange for Miss Ernie Mateo.
Yours na naman! Thank you so much!
Complex po yung long sleeves na layer-layer. Sabi ni Miss Jessica Mercado. Yung kanina tayo, yung parang may shading. Yung may rhinestones kanina. Oo, yung 1.6. Yung pinapaflex niya ulit. Ayan po. Anything girls, mga kapamilya, ang code natin dito is Mine Dress plus the color. Mine Dress Pink. Mine Dress Pink for 999 pesos. Mine Dress Orange. Mine Dress Orange. And then we have here Mine Dress
Brown!
Brown.
Only 999
Grabe mga
pesos.
kapamilya, for sa ating details po, ayan. Sulit na sulit po kayo dyan. For 999 pesos only.
Yes!
Lining po, may lining na po siya. Okay, next ko ate yung layers, yung princess natin, no? Princess, no, nagpapaflex. Yung princess ate, may nagpapaflex lang po ulit. Ayan. Flex ni Ate Grace.
Yes po, last flex po tayo sa
Sa princess, te. Nasa ilalim, te. Yan, ate. Si dress ate, dress.
Yan mga kapamilya, last flex po tayo sa ating